Hi, kids. Welcome back. Wasn't yesterday great with Jim Dandy and his special friends, all those doggos? Little chaotic, but it was a fun time. And I wonder who's going to join us today. Oh, who are you?
Hey, I'm Scuba Steve. Hey, everybody, good to see you.
Nice to meet you, Scuba Steve. High five.
All right, high
Oh,
five.
high five.
Nice to meet you, Pastor.
Nice to meet you. What's up with the goggles?
Oh man, I just love going scuba diving or swimming in in the lakes or even in like real fast-moving streams. Man, this is really great.
Oh man, that's a little too much. I don't know if I like fast moving streams. That seems a little scary and dangerous.
Well, that's why they call me Scuba Steve. I live on the edge, man.
You live on the edge.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I love swimming. That's why I wear these goggles.
That's pretty cool. Where's maybe the scariest place you've ever went scuba diving?
Oh wow, I don't know. Well, I went scuba diving in my pool the other day in the backyard. That was fun.
That was fun.
Yeah, I did that. That was pretty treacherous.
Have you ever been like afraid for your life?
Sometimes, when that water, I go under the water and I look up and it's like, wow, it's so far up there. I gotta swim and get up there and everything like that.
Wow, that's a cool story.
Thanks.
So, you don't like the peaceful waters?
Peaceful waters are, they're nice. Sometimes when I'm just trying to relax and things like that. I go down you ever been to amusement park where they have the lazy river?
I have been to one of those when I was a kid.
Yeah, like those. Those are nice sometimes. They're not too adventurous because I'm an adventurous kind of guy.
I
But
can
sometimes I like to just chill out and relax on the lazy river.
So I want to read some of the Bible to you, is that if that's okay.
Oh yeah, that's great, Pastor. I'd love to hear God's word.
So in Psalm 23, in the second part of verse 2, it says, "He leads me beside still waters."
Mm,
Now,
okay.
it sounds like you wouldn't like those still waters. You like those more treacherous ones.
Yeah, I like fast moving things, fast moving water. But sometimes it's good after it's a bit scary going through that rough waters. You come out on the other side and oh man, it's really peaceful. So yeah, I can dig that. That's really good.
Right, and so sometimes even life outside of the water, Scuba Steve, is sometimes we face those treacherous, those scary paths.
Yep, that's true.
Because we all go maybe through some hardships, right?
Yeah, sometimes life is like going down a fast moving river
And it can
and you
be
just
pretty,
don't know where you're going.
right, and it can be scary.
Yeah, that's for sure, Pastor. You understand.
And so that's what's great about this. It tells us that, Jesus, our shepherd, is going to lead us to the peaceful paths.
The peaceful path. Yeah, that's right. That's where everybody wants peace.
And I believe he asks us to trust and follow him during those paths that he takes us down.
Yeah, sometimes when I go down those crazy rivers, there's always a guide in front of us. He's kind of showing us the way, and he says, go this way, go that way, go this way. And so maybe that's what Jesus does. He guides us.
Right, and you trust and you follow that guide on those.
Oh, yeah, you have to trust your guide. That's for sure. Otherwise, ooh, it's bad news.
Right, and so that's what's important for us to remember is that we trust Jesus as he's our guide in life.
That's right.
So yeah, so thank you for joining us, Scuba Steve.
Hey, my pleasure, Pastor. It's good to see you. Good to see
Good
you,
to see you.
kids. We'll talk to you later, okay?
All right, see you, Scuba Steve.
Bye-bye.
So yeah, kids, that's a great reminder that as Scuba Steve shared, he has a guide when he goes scuba diving or whatever he does in the water. We have a guide in our life, and that's Jesus, and we can trust and follow him, and he's going to lead us down beside the still waters. Thank you, and God bless.